Y'all, tell me why I found us another 7-day cruise. This one is for March. So if you don't get to go to the one in January I just told y'all about, this one is even better. And guess what? It's not going to the Bahamas. We going places on this cruise, y'all. And guess what? If you're going solo, it's the same price. $266 if you're going by yourself, $266 if you're going with somebody else. You still get the same deal. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let me show y'all how I found it. Y'all already know we're going to start on Google like always. But I was like, I cannot believe they have these back-to-back deals. Like, what are they trying to do? Get everybody on the cruise? And they're doing a good job of it. But anyway, we're going to start off on Google, put in MSC, and y'all already know the MSC cruise, they've been having the best deals lately, y'all. So we're going to be going. We're going to be going every time they have a good deal. 7 days, $266 for everybody. Y'all better stop it. I'm going to have a cruise every month at this rate. So once you get to MSC, I didn't even tell you. Let me go back, y'all. Let me go back. I didn't got so excited. I just started going, y'all. Put in MSC Cruises in Google. Y'all see that? And then it's going to put up the first one, MSC Cruises USA. Click on that. It's going to take you to their homepage. I done got so excited. I done missed the steps. Y'all like, hurry up, y'all, before they take it away. The last cruise I told y'all about, it went fast, y'all. Like, I think after a couple of hours, people were telling me they don't have that deal anymore. I was like, dang, that went quick. But anyway, we are on the MSC Cruises website. Click on the little logo here so it can take you to the homepage. I think this is a flash sale, y'all. So it's going to be for a limited time. So we got to get in where we fit in. What are y'all doing in March? Okay, once you get here, go ahead and click filters. It's right here. And you're going to click 6-7. That made me laugh because I was just listening to people say 6-7 when their kids be saying it on TikTok. Why is that a thing? Anyway, once you press 6 through 7, press search. And when the next page pulls up, we are going to go to sort by featured. And we're going to click low to high, just like we did yesterday. And this is the first one that, is that the first one? It is. That's why I said, that ain't it. This one goes to the Bahamas too, but it goes to other places, y'all. Okay, so it's the very first cruise that pulls up. 7 nights, Caribbean and Bahamas. Okay, this one goes to the Bahamas. That's their island. Okay, we love the island. We love Ocean Cay. It also goes to Cozumel, Mexico. I love Cozumel because the prices be pricing, y'all. The price is always right in Mexico. And then Georgetown, Cayman Islands. I've been there before one time on my very first cruise. I would love to see how that looks now. Before, it wasn't really too much going on, but I didn't pick any excursions or anything. So the next one is Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Been there too. Good times, y'all. Good times. But this one is going places. Very exciting. Like, girl, you're not just taking Bahama cruises. You're going to Jamaica. You're going to Cayman Islands. You're going to Mexico. You're going to Ocean Cay. I feel good about it. This one's for March the 22nd. And this is for next year. So you see the $263 per person. If you see that, you know you're in the right place. Press select. Y'all, I am worked up on this. I was like, how many deals they gonna have? Because look, I didn't book that January one, y'all, but it was very tempting. Okay, once you get to this page, you see where you have 2 people. If you take 2 people with you, it's going to be the $263 per person. But let's go ahead and click one person because y'all already know that I cater to my solo travelers because one thing we don't do is what? Wait on other people to go. We go ahead and live our lives with or without company. Anyway, go ahead and press edit up here and put in one adult. And next, if you're going by yourself, this will be a good reset cruise or a good fun cruise because we're going to fun places. And then when you come down here to cruise only, it's still $263 per person. When did they start doing this? Normally it changes like by $20 or $30, but not this time. So anyway, go ahead and press select. And then we're just going to scroll and press next here. I'm excited about the Jamaica part, and I'm also excited about the Cozumel part because I love going to both of those places. Once you get to the next page, you're going to click the interior room. That's $263 here. Now, one thing about MSC Cruises is sometimes they will upgrade you for free or they'll send you a little upgrade for cheap. So fingers crossed that you get an upgrade because that balcony room, I love it. I love it, especially when I want to spend time by myself. I want to be on my own balcony looking at the water in my thoughts, you know, just relaxing and resetting. But go ahead and click select on that very first interior one. And then we're going to press next. You can click the other ones, but like I said, they be upgrading your room, y'all. So you might want to wait on that for this budget cruise. Okay, once we get to the next page, we are going to click the Bella experience, which is already included. It's already checked. So we're just going to click next for that. And once we get to this page, it's going to ask us our dining preference. Now, it usually has like the timing on it, but now it just says first and third seating. I would always press first because third is late. Third is late, y'all. It's late. I can't do late dinners only once. I could probably go one time. Okay, so I'm going to press first seating there, and we're just going to put random stuff in here because we just need to get to the part where if it's finished, how much do we owe? Is it going to be the same thing? So I'm just going to go through here and just put random information in so we can get to that part. Let's see. And just we're just going to put numbers in. Not me putting real numbers in. What's that about? Press next. And let's see here. Once it gets to the next page, I think it's going to be insurance. It is. Okay, insurance is coming up. If you do need insurance on your cruise, they do provide it for an additional $47. So you can click yes if you want it, no if you don't. I'm just going to press no. And then we're going to press next. And then on this page, it's just going to show us that, oh, hold on. I did not know this part. Okay, it's pretty much the same price, but you can put a deposit down for $199 today and pay the remaining by December the 22nd. Now, these prices are really close together, so I'll probably just pay the $263, but they're giving you an option. So that's really cool. I didn't know they was going to do that. I was trying to help and show y'all. So I'm just going to press the total amount, and I'm just going to accept the terms here. Because this is, yeah, the $199 and $263 is pretty close together. So we just going to do the total. We'll come up with the extra $63. All right, go ahead and press proceed to payment. And once this pulls up, let's see. It's giving you all your options that you can pay with. Pretty much all of the things, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, and Google Pay. And it's just going to be the $263, y'all. And let me remind everybody that if you've never been on a cruise before, all you need is your birth certificate and your ID. If you have a passport, even better. You're going to fly through really quickly with the passport. But if you don't, you can still go. You can still get this deal because that birth certificate and the ID going to work just the same. You just may have to wait in line a little bit longer. But I'm so excited to share this with y'all. I was like, I know MSCA came out with another deal. Like, can we go on the first cruise first? But I was like, every time I find it, I'm going to tell y'all about it because maybe y'all were not able to go on the one that I previously told y'all. And if y'all not, or y'all need a little bit more time to get that PTO in, they got one for March, y'all. And March is some great weather. So yes, we would like to go on a cruise in March. Actually, January through December, we'll take it. Do we need to reset every month? Sometimes we do, y'all. Work be working and nerves be nerving. But I hope everybody ends up getting this deal or any of the other deals I mentioned to y'all because y'all deserve it. You need time to yourself or just time away with your family. But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have one dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road
have to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.